Greetings, this is the latest from Mckoy's News Center. Attorney Christopher Townsend, one of the legal representatives for Portland businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald in his murder trial, further challenged the credibility of Denvalyn Bubbla Minott, the second witness in the case, during Monday's proceedings. Beachy Stout stands accused of the July 20, 2020 murder of his second wife, Tonya McDonald, whose body was discovered with her throat slashed and multiple stab wounds beside her burned vehicle on the Sherwood Forest Main Road in Portland. He is on trial alongside his co-accused, Oscar Barnes, who Minott allegedly subcontracted to carry out the killing. During Minott's cross-examination by Townsend in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston, significant and incriminating inconsistencies in Minott's statements surfaced. One of the main points of contention was Minott's claim about the circumstances in which he was approached by Beachy Stout to carry out the murder. Minott had initially testified that he first met Beachy Stout when he inquired about a job at the businessman's supermarket, at which point Beachy Stout showed him a picture of his wife and expressed his desire to have her killed. However, it was revealed during the trial that in one of his police statements, Minott stated that he had gone to the establishment to seek a job for his son, not for himself, as he had previously testified in court. Townsend pointed out this inconsistency and emphasized that in that statement, Minott indicated that his son got the job and started working the next day, but no mention was made of discussing Mrs. McDonald's murder. Townsend argued that Minott never informed the police about any engagement to kill Tonya McDonald and that his testimony to the jury was inconsistent with his statement to the police. Minott responded to Townsend by saying, "You can't inform me of Mr. Mack's words. You weren't present. You're defending someone else's wrongdoing. Tonya was the one who provided employment for my son. She was his employer. I asked her to hire my son, but Mr. Mack had already employed him. He started working on a Sunday, and I spoke to Tonya on Monday, requesting the job for him. Mr. Mack showed me a picture of Tonya before the Monday when I made the request. I'm not fabricating anything, sir. If there's any fabrication, it's coming from you, sir." The witness caused confusion in the court by stating, "I never attended school with her. Mr. Mack introduced me to her before I requested the job for my son." Townsend's questioning frustrated the witness, leading to shocking revelations in court. Minott confessed to being illiterate and said he signed a third statement given to the police after they read it to him. He claimed that when the statement was read to him, he noticed inconsistencies but did not voice his concerns. Minott also denied making some of the statements in the police report, alleging that the police included statements he never uttered. "I cannot read, so I just signed it. The police were misleading me. I couldn't do anything about it, sir. They didn't threaten me or use force. I signed the document, believing it contained the truth. I won't tell any lies," he asserted, rejecting Townsend's allegations of dishonesty. During his testimony, Minott had previously mentioned that he met Tonya when Beachy Stout introduced her as his wife during a visit to his home. He claimed they visited under the pretense of wanting to buy a gun to avenge Tonya's father's alleged murderer. However, according to the witness, this was a ruse to lure her into a dangerous situation because she appeared desperate for a firearm. Exhausted by Townsend's questions, Minott ceased responding and instead gazed at the courtroom ceiling, uttering, "Father God, I'm tired. I'm unwell. I can't handle any more. Father God, please come down and comfort someone today. I'm distressed, Your Honor." Presiding Judge Justice Chester Stamp ordered a brief break for the witness, indicating that he would need to resume providing evidence in the case. The trial will continue today. Subscribe to Mckoy's News for breaking news and updates.